Hi everyone, happy Earth Day. We're going to celebrate Earth Day today because Wednesday is Earth Day. And I thought I would first explain a little bit about what Earth is. Do you know what Earth is? Earth is our home. It's the planet we live on. So I want to show you something that looks really amazing. There is Earth. Let me show you what it looks like when it's moving. Look, it's rotating. So let's see. Oh, I see night skies with lights. And look, there's the sunrise. There's the water. And I see land. And look, there's clouds. See the clouds? And at the very bottom is ice. See how it's rotating? It's spinning. That is Earth. That is where we live. And for Earth Day, we learn about taking care of our planet. So one of the ways we can take care of our planet is by picking up after ourselves. You don't want to leave trash on the ground. You know, whenever you go to the park, you want to make sure and get everything cleaned up. If you go on a walk, maybe you could bring a bag with you and pick up some trash and then clean your hands afterwards. All sorts of ways to help take care of our planet. Another thing you could do is plant a tree or plant some seeds and watch them grow. I'm going to show you a video of me planting some seeds and just in honor of Earth Day, and I hope you like it. Another thing you could do is turn off the lights when you leave the room, if you can reach the switch. And when you're brushing your teeth, you want to turn the water off while you're brushing your teeth so you're not wasting water. All of these things will help keep the earth clean. For a demonstration on keeping the earth clean, I have something here. It is a dish of milk. And do you remember what colors the earth were when we looked at it a minute ago? It was blue for the oceans, and the land looked a little bit tan, but sometimes it's green. So I have some colors here I'm going to put in to simulate the color of the earth. We'll see if that will look like it. Does that look like the earth? No. So I've got two different colors I'm going to put in. I don't have blue and green, but I have teal and purple. So we're going to see if that'll work. All right. So let's see if we can make this dish of milk look like the earth. So I have some a cotton ball here with dish soap in it. Let's see what happens when I put it in. Whoa, it's swirling. It looks a lot like how the earth has swirls of colors. You see that? This is two different colors. It's not the colors of the earth, but it is two different colors. It's teal and purple. Let's see if we can look all around it. So it's still moving. What do you think would happen if we put a different color in there? Do you think it would change it? So it's still moving a little bit, still changing colors. Let me put the cotton ball in a little closer. Okay, so you look at the colors that are coming through. They're moving a little bit. So we could pretend like the orange color is pollution. Let's see what happens when we put a little bit of this, just a little bit. We'll put a little bit there and just see what happens. So it's becoming a long orange streak now. Can you see that? Look, it's the pollution, it's spreading. It's getting longer. Look at that orange. So if we pretend that the earth is purple and teal, look at that big orange that's coming out. Oh no, it's messing it all up. Oh look, you can see more right there too. That's like the pollution, which is sort of like trash getting into the water and into the dirt. This is what we want to prevent for Earth Day. Oh, and also you could consider it trash going into the air as well. Let's look at the orange. See it? We could pretend like that's the pollution, polluting the earth. We want to keep it the two colors that it is. We don't want it to change, do we? Now here's our experiment. I hope you like it. Hi, for Earth Day, we're going to plant some jack beans. But first, let me show you. Do you remember the acorn we planted? It's starting to grow. Can you see it? There's a little bit of a sprout growing right there. It's growing into an oak tree. We'll find out what kind soon. It's kind of hard to tell. All right, so I put them in a baggie, the jack beans in a baggie with a wet paper towel last night. And now they have germinated and they are ready to plant. So let's see. I'm gonna move some, oh, this dirt is very hard, so maybe I should add a little water to it first. All right. So I'm just gonna move a little bit of this dirt over. I'm gonna put the little jack bean seed in there. And I'm gonna cover it up. And then I'm gonna put another one right here. I'm gonna cover it up. I'm gonna water it. And we'll see if we can grow a jack bean plant. And look, hopefully it will grow up the trellis, just like Jack and the Beanstalk. And over here, I have another jack bean plant that I planted already. You wanna come see it? Right here. It's starting to grow. Uh-oh, it looks like something bit my leaf. I don't know where it is. Anyway, this is a jack bean plant. Happy Earth Day. Bye-bye.